with the completed job ready to take payment. Now, I don't have to have a completed job to take a payment. I can take a deposit. There's a couple of ways to do that. The most popular way would be the request payment feature here. This allows me to choose a percentage or a fixed amount that I want to charge the customer. So 50% down here, I can send the request over. This will be transmitted by text message and email. So I'll demonstrate the text message option today. There's my text message. I have the option to pay now or view the job. I have not yet generated the invoice, so it'll say job in this case. It even tells me the fee that'll be charged when I pay by card or bank transfer. That's going to open up on another browser here today, no big deal. A little bit of a different feel when I'm on a smartphone, of course. Pay by card, pay by bank, both an option. Again, I'm met with a fee. I can also choose Klarna if I want to make payments towards this. Google and Apple Pay will be options for me if I utilize those features. And if I want, I've also got the link option that is associated with Stripe where I can save my info for next time. Don't have to enter it all over again. We've also got the tap to pay here through the mobile app, a very popular way to take payment, a cheaper way too. When I click this, as long as I'm on a smartphone, and of course we agree to the fee, we can now have a terminal. Of course, I'm on a computer. It's not going to work for me today, but via smartphone, the screen turns blue, a little pulsing icon appears. The user can just touch, or customer can touch their card to the device, and we've now paid the invoice. I can also send out an invoice. I'd have to generate it first, but I can do that. Here from the field, I can generate an invoice. I can view that and go ahead and take a live signature. I can send it out to the customer and require a signature when I send it, and also attach a PDF copy. Suppose we could do that today. Great. So now I'll receive an email where I have a new invoice. I'll bring that over here. And here we go. So here is my View Invoice button to take a look at the invoice. I can also go straight to the Customer Center, pay with card or pay with bank. Let me go ahead and pop over to our browser here today, where I can open the invoice from my invoices page, search by customer, search by number, any number of ways that I need to find it up, of course, but here we have the sent copy of the invoice. I did not view it today, so the I is still kind of shaded as not seen. Here's what the invoice will look like. We allow our users to reconstruct these based on whatever parameters they like. This can all be rewritten through HTML. We can also view the Customer Center when we accept that email, which if we're going in as the city is going to show us other invoices that we have here. Let me refresh, make sure I show all my unpaid invoices here. Great. So I can look at these one by one. I can check out pictures that I have on here, notes that have been shared with me, and so on. And I can also come up and pay all of my invoices at once. Somewhat of a statement, right? Selecting that, I can now choose pay card, pay with bank. Let's check out the bank today. And here I can choose my different banks and enter my information, transmit payment that way through ACH. And if you're old-fashioned, you want to take a card over the phone, why not? If you're on the browser here, you'll see the option to add a payment. I can choose both again, pay with card, pay with bank, enter the card info on behalf of the customer, and take our money. We're off and running. Everything's done. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.